Myself, Dr. G. Sadish Kumar, Assistant Professor of Physics, Nehru Institute of Technology. My topic, Michelson interferometer, course objective to introduce the basis of interferometer and its applications. The principle of Michelson interferometer, the amplitude of beam from a source is divided into two parts of equal intensities, reflections and transmitted. The beam are then sent in two directional right angles and brought together after they suffer reflection from mirrors and produce interference fringes. Construction of Michelson interferometer. The highly two planes are mirror M1 and M2 right angles to each other. The optically glass plate G1 and G2 same thickness and the same materials parallel to each other. The glass plate G1 is a semi-half circle to incident two beams, one is reflected and transmitted. The working of Michelson interferometer. The monochromatic light source is made parallel with the help of collimatic lens L. The light beam is allowed to fall on the semi-silver glass plate G1. The G1 is reflected to towards M1 and partially transmitted towards M2. The two rays travel along to mutually perpendicular path and reflected by M1 and M2. The rays focused at G1 meeting again the telescope T. The path difference introduced between the reflected mirror M1 and M2 moving in mirror M1. The ray passes PQ and QQ through the glass plate G1. The ray PB does not even passes once through G1. In the absence of glass plate G2, path traced by beam of telescope. The glass plate G2 of same and thickness and the material introduced to the Michelson interferometer. This is the types of fringes. This is the two types of fringes. When the two mirrors M1 and M2 are coincides with the perfect dot fringes. When the two mirrors M1 and M2 parallel at the circular fringes are formed. When the two mirrors M1 and M2 both each other inclined at the curved fringes are formed. When the two mirrors M1 and M2 intersect at the middle at the straight line fringes are formed. This is the applications of Michelson interferometer. This is useful to the wavelength of the monochromatic light source and the refractive index and the thickness of the various thin transparent materials of Michelson interferometer. Difference between the two neighboring and wavelengths. This is the course outcome. References. Thank you.